Hey, welcome, Will's Garage here. So we got an exciting adventure today. We're gonna get rid of that guy right there. We got a couple of pieces of equipment. We got this big guy, he's gonna pull it out. And then we've got this guy over here with his winch. So we're gonna go get something done here, and then you know, Graham's gonna put a K-Series in it and rip it up and down the street. So we'll see him flying by. It'll be a good time. But here we go.
The workforce has shown up to remove the big green machine. Farewell to the big green machine. It's out of our driveway. Woo! Yay! Off to Graham's house.
All right, so we made it here to Graham's. Nothing fell off, which was not very exciting. So, you know, we'll make it work. But here we go, we're gonna get it off. right, guys, welcome back. We did it. Look, the thing is gone. It is over at Graham's. He's now going to be wrenching on it, so you can go check him out at Grandma's Garage there. I'll put a link in the description to his channel where you might be able to follow what's going to happen to the old John Deere next. So hopefully he's going to try to get it running, and yeah, so on to the next adventure. So here we go, right, brother?
Yeah.
All right, Willis Garage out. So
Cotton has to
go to school tomorrow, right?
Cotton has to go to school tomorrow.
That's
and
right.
I have to go to school tomorrow.
All right.
And it's Halloween tomorrow.
It's almost Halloween. Who are you going to be for Halloween?
Ant-Man.
Ant-Man. All right. Very cool. Very good, brother.
There are the pumpkins over there on the stairs.
Yes, they are. All right, doctor. Let's go. Get on the way.
Okay. Back Creek. Back Creek. Back Creek. I love Squatch. Back Creek.